Jacqueline Kabuho orukure byo kurambura amashomero ahabwa Kasese Municipal Council kandi wabayebembire ekikwekwete eki nagirangu abana bamwe bashangwa omukatare akamawa barukuguze emishuburo.
We went to railway ward. We arrested very many from the other factory. We went to Mawa Market. Mawa Market had very many children, and we realized that parents have decided to make their children vendors. We went to Nyakasanga and Kizungu. There we picked a few, though the parents were trying to plead that children were chased from school.
Kabuho nagirango mubaro gw'abeegi omu mashomero na munonga aga government guchendire ahabwa abantu butashoma.
These children are all underage. They are all school going children, and the motive of this operation was to let every child come back to school, because we realized that the enrollments in all government schools and most private schools has reduced.
Abazaire kuchera Mbarara baguma bakwate babatwara munkom baze kuhinga namateka discipline to kuchera Mbarara bataka wina cheka ya werarie to kumanya mwana naza kulyata yokaza kuchera Mbarara wakorankai ese wachera Mbarara nonywa abana babagaka jera isomero umwana atine uniform umwana atine chokurya atine school fees.
Baitu mibari y'abantu kwa mitabe ba street kid amubuti mama wo neho tata wo neho munebo mezi simu rwere simu kolireki nicho ndikakora nabe ikikakangana kito musinjo omujja chaka yakwaho.
ASP Ensinganto omupolisi kazi kandi orikujunanizibwa hanshonga z'amakana abana ahari Kasese Central Police Station yagamba hanshonga ey'abana aba.
First cause domestic violence. 2 is poverty. 3 men have lost their responsibilities. They are not minding. They are like just producing and don't mind about anything. So another thing is that even children are refusing to go to school, yet the school fees is there. They are naruli.
Yakora ekikwekwito ekyayoramo abana 5 aba bana bashimirwa barya ishomero kukato abasanga baryo mu butare baryo mu town batagira amashomero.
Aba obwahati bakumirwe aha polisi eya Kasese Central Police Station obwo bategeriza Abazaire babo okubatwara. Amakuraga gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.